Now the next problem is a transparent solid cylindrical rod has a refractive index 2 by root 3. It is surrounded by air. A light ray is incident at the midpoint of one end of the rod as shown in the figure. The incident angle theta for which the light ray grazes along the wall of the rod is. Okay, now the situation is something like this. Let us say this ray which is incident at one of the ends or one of the faces at the center, after refraction through the rod, and once it is inside the rod, when it encounters this interface, that is the surface of the rod and the air, it grazes along the surface of the rod, which basically means that this angle of incidence inside the glass rod should be equal to the critical angle for the two mediums, that is glass and air. Okay, now for such situation we have to find out what should be the angle theta at this juncture. Okay, let us say this is theta and this is r and this is c. So first of all we will find out what is c. We know that sin c is given by 1 by mu, which in this case is 2 by root 3. So sin c will be given by root 3 by 2, or c is 60 degree. Now if this angle is 60 degree, therefore this angle at this point will be 30 degree, because r plus c will be 90 degree. Now look at this interface. At this interface, ray is traveling, making an angle of incidence theta. Okay, so I is equal to theta, and it enters the medium, this is the normal, and it goes inside with an angle of refraction which is equal to 30 degree. Okay, now sin I by sin r will be equal to mu, which in this case is 2 by root 3. Okay, so sin theta is 2 by root 3 into sin 30, which is half. So we will get sin theta equal to 1 by root 3, or theta equal to sin inverse of 1 by root 3. So for this angle theta, we will get the ray grazing past the surface of the rod.